Good morning, children. Let's begin with this thought. There is no time like the present. It means that don't wait to do something. What you have to do it now. Children, today also we will continue lesson number 12, multiplication. We have already seen how to solve multiplication problems using lattice method. Now today we will see multiplication by vertical arrangement. Vertical arrangement means this standing arrangement. This is called as vertical arrangement. So let's see first example, 34 multiplied by 2. Now 2-digit number, so write this number at their proper place. 3, 4. 3 is at tens place, 4 is at units place. Then this is sign of multiplication, multiplied by 2. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to recite table of 2 4 times. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 2 fours are 8. Write down this 8 in this column. 8. Now multiply 2 with 3. Means you have to recite table of 2 3 times. So 2 threes are 6. So write this 6 here. So answer is 6 8 68. In this way you have to follow multiplication and find out the answer. Now see, this is multiplication without carrying over. Now we will see multiplication by carrying over. First example is 56 multiplied by 3. First of all, we have to arrange it vertically. 56 multiplied by 3. Okay. After that, recite table of 3 6 times. 3 6 are 18. Now in number 18, 8 is at units place. So write this 8 here and 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Okay. Now multiplied 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15 and 15 plus this carrying over 1. 15 plus 1 we get 16. So 1 6 16. Answer is 168. You can also write the 100 place here. Now next is 18 multiplied by 4. Now first of all, arrange it vertically. 1 at 18 multiplied by 4. Now recite table of 4 8 times. 4 8s are 32. So 2 here, 3 is carrying over to the next place. Okay. After that, table of 4 1 times. 4 1s are 4 and 4 plus 3 we get 7. So here answer is 72. In this way you have to solve the multiplication questions. Now in your maths textbook, page number 64, these questions are here. You have to solve this example using the same method. So let's see. This one, 24 multiplied by 2. This is the example without carrying over. You have to recite table of 2 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Right answer here 8. After that 2 2s are 4. So write here 4. Answer is 4 8 48. Then next 22 multiplied by 4. Now 4 2s are 8. Again here 4 2s are 8. Answer is 88. Next is 31 multiplied by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Answer is 93. So these are the examples from your maths textbook, page number 64. Solve these examples in textbook only. Now see some examples from page number 65. You have to solve these examples in textbook only. See this one, 15 multiplied by 5. Again recite table of 5 5 times. 5 5s are 25. So 5 here, 2 is carrying over to the next place. After that 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 and 5 plus this 2. 5 plus 2 we get 7. Answer is 75. Then next 24 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. So 2 here, 1 is carrying over to the next place. After that 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 we get 7. In this way you have to solve all these examples, okay, and after solving you can check your answers from here. Now see next one. These examples are also in page number 65. 36 multiplied by 4. Again you have to follow the same method. First recite table of 4 6 times. 6 4s are 24. So write 4 here. 2 is carrying over here. Okay. So see, 2 is carrying over here. Again I am repeating, 6 4s are 24. So write 4 here. 2 is carrying over to the next place. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 4 here. 1 is carrying over to the next place. Now here there is no number to multiply. So write this one directly here. Okay. So answer is 144. Similarly 40 multiplied by 8. 8 zeros are 0. So write 0 here. 8 4s are 32. So write 2. 3 is carrying over to the next place. Again there is no number to multiply, means you can write 3 directly here. So answer is 320. Next one is 54 multiplied by 7. 7 4s are 28. So 8 here, 2 is carrying over. Then 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 37. So 7 here, 3 is carrying over. Again here is no number, so write this 3 here. So answer is 378. Similarly the last example is 92 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 6 here, 1 is carrying over to the next place. Then 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 1 73. So 3 here, 7 is carrying over to the next place. And now write this 7 here. Answer is 736. Children, you have to solve this example in textbook only. Complete maths textbook page number 64 and 65. So today we stop. In the next period we will see word problems of multiplication. Till then, happy learning.